Hey everyone! So I'm not giving up. I'm going to try again. So many of the girls on the Barrage Posse have been posting videos of how to do their balloon smash. I have not had success to the point that I actually love it, so I'm not going to give up. We're going to try again. So I just pulled some colors. I may add some metallics at some point, but for right now I'm going to be using Lukas Permanent Violet, Lukas Mauve, DecoArt Coral. That's a messy bottle. Alan must have had his hands on there. Soho Sap Green, and Lukas Mint. Alright, so some do dots, some do puddles, some do little wigglies. So I'm just going to like put where I want a flower. And hope this turns out. Okay. Same thing with the mauve. It's going to be part of my flower. And then I'll go in and do the greenery. I watch so many of them, and you see the puddles, you know, and it's like, well, that didn't come out like so-and-so's, so that's not the way I want to do it. But there are so many girls that do them, and they're absolutely beautiful. Okay, so then on my greenery, I'm just going to do little bits, little drops. Because I want to hit those after the fact. So I probably will be wiping my balloon off quite a bit. And then a little bit of mint in there just to soften it up. Okay. So I kind of have it going in the direction I want. So let's try this. I see people with 2 hands. I see people with 1 hand. I'm just going to go in and do it the way that I'm comfortable. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right? Okay. So as soon as I see that I touch the green, I'm automatically going to wipe. I'm definitely going to go in with some more color. But I want to hit that green first. And I did my white really super thin too. So I know that I need more of everything. So I'm going to go right back at it. Because I want them bigger. No particular areas either, just color. But I do like that coral in there. And coral is the 2019 Pantone color. So if you're doing paintings Get your coral out. There are a lot of people that decorate according to those colors. Last year was the purple. And we sold a lot of purple paintings. Okay. Got the green on that one, so I gotta stay away from there. I hate that it doesn't leave a lot of color behind. It picks up a lot of white. I'm not gonna be able to get that purple one. I'm gonna flip my paper towel over. I kind of like that green one. These aren't as easy as everybody makes them out to be, guys. Oh, I want more purple. That little bit of coral in there is plenty now. And put a little bit more mauve. And hope that I don't lose all my green now. Alright. I'm not giving up yet. You really want to push down, I guess. That's what I'm seeing. To give you the flowery look. There. Now I don't like the coral in there. But it's going to look different when it dries. It's not going to be that bright. So I like to look in the monitor to see where I look gappy. You know me and my skewers. I have to play. I don't like that corner. We can fix that real easy. Okay, a little bit more purple. So you want to watch too on this edge here, where your balloon hits too. I noticed that. I'm just telling you what I'm noticing. Didn't like that edge, that's why I hit it again. Alright, so now anything that you don't like, you grab your white and you dab. Each one has to be separate though, so you don't contaminate the paint. So I'll take it off with my finger. Go in and put the white in. And then on this edge, I want to get rid of this look here. So that was kind of fun. Just don't like the coral in there. Oh my goodness, I can't leave anything alone. The struggle of being an artist. Knowing when to stop. But I'm going back in, guys, because I think it's too dark now. That's so much better. Except for the drips. See, I like it better now. Now that I dispersed that color a little bit farther. So it looks like I have multiples of flowers now, and I'll show you up close. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have our Christina Welch Art page, our Parage Posse group. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies, or just shop through our link. We do make a few pennies on your purchases. We are an affiliate for them. If you're interested in paintings, check out our Etsy shop. That link is below as well. We are an affiliate for Coat Countertops Epoxy. We have a code for $10 off a $100 order. And we also have clothing through Teespring. And prints through Redbubble. Our fan mail box address is below as well if you want to send us a card or a letter or a gadget to pour with. Alan is our gadget man. You see where I touched up now. And our PayPal tip jar is below as well if you'd like to sponsor the channel. We do giveaways all the time. You do not have to pay to get into a giveaway. All you have to do is be a subscriber. And the sponsor giveaway is for those that donate to the channel. It's our way of saying thank you. But we say thank you to our subscribers as well with random giveaways and also milestone giveaways. And if you were with us on the last one, we gave out some exceptionally beautiful prizes. And if you're out of the country, we do a PayPal donation for winners from overseas. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.